Welcome to AT Math Academy. Topic for today is the rational expression. So any expression, if it is of the form P by Q, it is called a rational expression. So which is numerator over denominator, and it has some constants. The expression can be formed with constants and variables. So if you have an expression, say 2x plus 3 over 3x plus 5, this is a rational expression because it is of the form P by Q, like it has the numerator and the denominator. So today I'm going to show you how to simplify, like do some operations on rational expressions, which is adding, that has addition and subtraction. So we are going to take an expression that has both of these operations in the expression, and we are going to simplify this expression. So my expression for today is 3x by 4x plus 8 plus 2x by 3x plus 6 minus 5x by 12x plus 24 is equal to how much? We are going to simplify this expression. So when you observe here, this is of the form P by Q. So it has a constant 3 and variable x, and this has constants 4 and 8, and 4 is the coefficient for this variable x, and it has numerator over denominator. So this is called a rational expression. So we have three of the rational expressions here, three terms, and it has both addition and subtraction operations. Now we are going to look in how to simplify this expression. So when you observe the denominators, I'm going to write the numerator as it is 3x, and for the denominator, when you observe here 4x plus 8, I'm going to take the 4 as common, and I will be left over with x, and 4 times 2 is 8. Since I need only 8 here, I'll be taking 2. So I can rewrite 4x plus 8 as 4 into x plus 2. Same likewise, I'm going to write the bottom numerator. I'm going to take 3 as common, and I'll be left over with x, and I'll be left over with 2. Because 3 times x is 3x and 3 times 2 is 6. We get 3x plus 6, so we can rewrite it as 3 into x plus 2. Now I have the minus sign here, and I have for the numerator 5x, and here I'm going to take 12 as common in both of these, then I'll be left over with x and plus 2. So I have rewritten this expression like this, and when you observe, by writing this way, I'm getting the common term x plus 2, x plus 2 and x plus 2 in the denominator. So for getting the common denominator, we need to take the existing denominator, which is x plus 2, because it is there in all of these three terms, and I have the coefficients as 4, 3 and 12. Now I'm going to find out the least common multiple for 4, 3 and 12. So let's take 4, 3 and 12 here and find the least common multiple. So for finding the least common multiple, I'm writing it as LCM, least common multiple. So in 4 table, we have both 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 times 3 is 12. And I don't have 3 in 4 table, so I'm writing as it is. And for 3, we can take 3 times 1, 1, 1. 3 times 1 is 3. So I took 3 table and I got it like 1, 1, 1. Until we get 1, 1, 1, we need to solve it. So now the least common multiple is got by multiplying these variable numbers here, which is 4 into 3, which is 12. So the common denominator for these three terms for this expression will be 12 into x plus 2. Now my goal is to make each of these fractions have the common denominator. So when you observe here, I have the first expression, which is 3x by 4 into x plus 2. This is my first term in this expression, and for making it 4 into x plus 2 as 12 into x plus 2, we need to multiply 4 with 3. so that it becomes 12 into x plus 2. So in order to do so, we are multiplying this entire term with 3. So 3x is a numerator and I'm multiplying it with 3. And for the denominator, I already multiplied with 3. 4 into 3 is 12 and x plus 2. So in this way, we got the common denominator, and I have the addition sign here. When you move on to the second term, I have 3 into x plus 2, and here I have 12 into x plus 2. So I want to make 3 into x plus 2 to 12 into x plus 2. In order to do so, I need to multiply 3 with 4. 3 times 4 is 12. So by doing so, I am making this denominator as the common denominator. So when I multiply the denominator with 4, for the fraction to be the same value, we need to multiply the numerator with 4 too. So 2x is multiplied with 4, and I have the negative sign here. And when you observe the denominator for the third term is 12 into x plus 2, and our common denominator is 12 into x plus 2. So both remain same. So there is no need to multiply this fraction. So we are writing the constant as it is, which is 5x. So in this way, you have simplified this. And going forward, 3 times 3 is 9, so 9x. And 4 times 2 is 8, so 8x, minus 5 into x by 12 into x plus 2. So when you do that, 9 plus 8 is 17, and 17 minus 5 is 12. So we'll be left over with 12x by 12 into x plus 2. So as we have 12 in both numerator and denominator, we can eliminate it. 12 times 1 is 12 and 12 times 1 is 12. And now we are left over with x by x plus 2. So the final value here is x by x plus 2. So this is the final answer that I got after simplifying this expression. Hope you all like my video, and please subscribe to AT Math Academy and enjoy doing math at AT. Thank you for all for taking time to watch this video. Thank you.